Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Firefox tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to enable JavaScript in Firefox. So if you get a hint that Java isn't working when you are browsing, this may be worth your time. To do this, I open Firefox and type about:config in the address bar. I press enter and confirm this warning. And in this search bar I type javascript.enabled, and if this value is false, JavaScript is not enabled. So we double click on it, and when the value is true, JavaScript is enabled. And that's all we need to do. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!